welcome back to my channel. So I have been trying to film this video all day long. It's just been one of those days. One thing after another has happened. It is literally 8:30 at night, which is why my lighting is kind of wonky right now. I do have my light over here trying to help that a little bit, but I got my Trendsend today and I wanted to open it and show you guys what I got. So I have not peeked. Last time I had a Stitch Fix and I peeked and it wasn't near as fun when I opened the box on camera, and a couple of you guys even commented like, hey, it wasn't as fun when you've peeked. So I have not peeked at my Trendsend. So let me just go ahead and pull out like all of the like envelopes and stuff. And if you're not familiar with Trendsend, so it is a monthly clothing subscription service like Stitch Fix. But the difference with Trendsend is you don't have a styling fee every month. So they send you the clothes, you don't pay a styling fee. And another difference with Trendsend is they send you 3 complete outfits with each box, which I love because they kind of put the outfits together. You can get jewelry, you can get, I don't know if I've ever gotten shoes with Trendsend, but you can get jewelry and clothing and accessories. And yeah, so the price points are a little higher. I tend to think it's clothes that they carry at Nordstrom, so like 7 jeans or articles of society, things like that. So you get some different things, a lot of kind of trendier things, and I like it because it makes me kind of step out of my comfort zone a little bit. So just as with Stitch Fix, you get a note from your stylist and you get your price list here. So I'm not gonna read you guys my note. I'm just gonna start pulling out outfits. So the way they have it broken down here is outfit 1, 2, and 3. So outfit 1 looks like it has a skirt in it, but that's not always the outfit that's on the top of the pile. So here's my first bundle. And let's just open this up and then we'll figure out like, ooh, there's a piece of jewelry, so that should be easy to figure out. So, okay, so this is outfit 1. So happy summer, time to break out the tanks and shorts and dresses. This outfit will be your go-to outfit for dinner with family and friends. So there is the Peyton Jensen utility skirt. Cute. Yes. I love this. Cute. It's got a little split. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, you guys. I love that. Okay. And it looks like it's on sale too. So yeah, it looks like this has been marked down. So this is the Peyton Jensen utility skirt. And let's see how much that is. $31.99. Awesome. Okay, so then there is the Sunday in Brooklyn mixed stripe woven tank. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so here's the tank. And it's got like a burgundy and like khaki stripe. It's V'd in the back and in the front. It is also on sale. Mixed stripe woven tank. $43.99. Okay. And then I have a piece of jewelry, which is the 3942 Monogram necklace. Ooh, cute. Oh, how cute. It's a J. Can you guys see that? And it's gold. So I love that. So cute. And that is $11.99. So that's on sale as well. So one thing I did put on my profile for Trendsend is the prices were just a little too high. I found that I wasn't keeping a lot of stuff. I was only keeping like 1 or 2 pieces every time because the prices were just so high on their stuff. And I'm like, I mean, I love it and everything, but I mean, $130, $140 for a dress or $140 for a pair of jeans, like I just can't afford that. And plus I get Stitch Fix as well. So I will say that this is really the only place that I shop in Loft. And Loft is a sale kind of thing, so if Loft is having a sale, I will shop at Loft. But other than that, I get most of my clothes from Trendsend and Stitch Fix. So, all right, let's see. Outfit 2. This will be your one and done dress for summer and fall. I noticed you needed pieces you can wear for work, but also everyday activities. They're on a blazer and a pump with this dress for work or for casual kids activities. They're on Converse and your denim jacket. Oh, you are speaking my language, girlfriend. Yes. Okay, so this is the Monroe v-neck dress, heather gray, $39.99. Oh, you guys, they are killing me. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's got like the little, and it's a swing dress. You guys know that my obsession with string dresses. It's been a long day. Swing dresses. This is press dress. I'm not familiar with that brand. Normally $68 on sale for $39.99, and it's very soft, and it's like a heather gray. So love that. So that was one outfit because it's just a dress. All right, and the last one, this is a big bundle, you guys. This is like, it's a lot. Okay, there's a pair of jeans. Let's see that. Okay, so last outfit. 7 for All Mankind ankle skinny. So it says, I'm sending you these 3 tops. Wow. That will work for all occasions. I'm sending you these amazing 7 for All Mankind ankle skinny pants. They are an amazing wash and they look so great on. For girls' night out, pair them with a Very J embroidered top and some wedges. Okay, so I did request 2 tops. So there were 2 tops that I had seen other people do unboxings with from Trendsend, and I just really love the tops. And then one was that, and then the other one I pinned. So the first top I'm super excited about is this from BRAEVE, and I love this brand. I have a lot from them. So this is a marbled t-shirt, and I love this. I just thought it looked so different. I love marble. I love the way it looks, and I just love this t-shirt. And I don't have a lot of just t-shirts that I can just throw on with shorts or jeans. So I did request that, and I'm super excited. Marble tee, $31.99, which I know that's a little much for a t-shirt, but it's so cute. I just love it. I hope it fits. Okay. All right, so let's look at these jeans. So these are 7 for All Mankind ankle skinnies, and they do have kind of a cool like hem at the bottom. They almost like go up on the side. That's kind of cool. So like an open hem. They're super, super soft, really stretchy. So yeah, they're not distressed or anything. They're just kind of a standard wash. So I like those. I'm not really into the whole distressing thing all that much. Okay, so how much are those? Those are gonna be expensive, I know. $119. So 7s, I mean, I've come to realize they're just gonna be expensive. Don't know that I'll pay $119 for a pair of jeans right now. I'm not really in the market for jeans, but I'm gonna try them on, of course, and see. Okay, and this top was one that I pinned, and I love it. It's got this embroidery detail at the bottom, got kind of like a flutter sleeve, and then it's got like the gathered, it's not an off the shoulder, it's kind of like this. So, or that's the way it is in the pin anyway, but yeah, I'm super excited about that. And this one is the, sorry guys, my nose itches. Very J Sunny Days embroidered top, size small, 4640. All right, and the next top is looks like Sunday in Brooklyn. Let's see. Yes. No, Peyton Jensen. Loose strap tank. Okay, so this is the Peyton Jensen loose strap tank. size small, $38.40. Okay, so this is really cute. It's just a white and gray tank. I mean, nothing crazy. It does look a little bit to be a little bit longer, and it's got like this split hem. Looks like it flows out just a little bit instead of being straight down, kind of flowy. So yeah, that's really cute. I like that. So she's suggesting, you know, you can wear any of those tops with those jeans. Guys, I like every single thing in this box. I'm not gonna lie. This may be my favorite or best Trendsend I've ever gotten. And I've been getting them for like a year now. So I really, really like everything. Everything seems to be a very good price point. The jeans are a little pricey, but I mean, they're $7, so I'm kind of, I expect that from them. And Trendsend jeans are usually pretty expensive. I do have a 20% referral discount, so whoever used my promo code, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So on top of the sale price, I do get another 20% off, which is amazing, but those prices that I told you are the sale price. So that's with the 20% referral discount. So yeah, I will go and try all of this on. To be perfectly honest, the try on will probably come tomorrow. I'm gonna go get my little guy in the bed and get in the bed myself because it's been a long week, a long day. But I will be back tomorrow with the try on and let you guys know how everything fits. Have a good night. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back with my try on. So here is that little gray t-shirt dress. Let me see if I can find the paperwork. Hold on. Okay, sorry. So here's the paperwork. So this is the Monroe V-neck dress, heather gray, extra small, and this one is $39.99. So this is what it looks like. It's just kind of a little t-shirt dress. It does have this like really cute like V-neck detail right here. Yeah, I really like it. It comes, let me see if I can, I'm gonna put this stuff down. I don't want the cat to get it. You can see it comes, hits me right about above my knee, but it's just a really cute little t-shirt dress. It's nothing super special. I do like the detailing, but honestly, like I feel like I could find something very similar at like Target or Walmart or somewhere like that for a little bit cheaper. So I don't know, we'll see, but I really like it. It's super comfortable, it fits really good. So be right back with the next thing. Okay guys, so here is the Monogram necklace, which I really, really like. You can see it's the J there. And I have on the skirt, which is the utility skirt, the Peyton Jensen utility skirt, and the striped tank, and this is Peyton Jensen as well. So she does say, I think in here, to pair these together. Yeah, it says to put these together, but I don't know how good they look together. So this is the top. I really like it. I like how it's got the different like cross patterns here. Let me get up here and show you guys the skirt. So the skirt is really cute. It's like a khaki utility skirt. I really like it. It's a great length, but I don't like this shirt out with it. I mean, I guess I could tuck this shirt in. I don't know. I just don't think these two really go that great together. What do you guys think? I mean, I think I like this shirt on its own and I like this skirt on its own, but I don't know that I like the two together. So, yeah, but I like the Monogram necklace. It's like $11, I think, $11.99, which is a great price. So, all right, I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay guys, here's the next one. This is the loose stripe tank. Let's see, mixed stripe. Okay, so I messed up. The tank that I just had on, that like multi-striped one, it was $43.99 and it's Sunday in Brooklyn, sorry. This is the loose stripe tank, $38.40, heather gray and white. It's cute. Again, I don't think it's anything like super spectacular. I would definitely like do a front tuck with my jeans just to kind of like give it a little bit more definition. But I really do like these jeans. They're really cute at the bottom. So if you can see how the hem like comes up like that, they're really, really cute. And they fit like perfect. So really, really like these jeans. The top is okay, but again, it's something that I don't think I would pay $38.40 for it. It's cute, but I feel like I could get the same kind of thing at like Target or Walmart for like 10 bucks. So let me go try on the next. Okay, so here is the embroidered top. This is very J, 4640. It's cute, don't get me wrong, but I think it's way too big. I think that I could have used like an extra small. And I don't know, I just think the sleeves, I just think there's too much of the shirt. I think that I kind of like, the shirt kind of drowns me a little bit. But I don't hate it. I just think probably, sorry, my camera cut off. Probably could have used an extra small in this one. But anyway, so that's cute. All right, I've got one more t-shirt. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is the marble tee. I like this one. This is one of the ones that I requested, and I think it's super cute. I really like it tucked into these jeans. I think it's a really cute outfit. I don't have a lot of just kind of casual t-shirts like this, so I really, really like this one. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty cute. I like the top. I like it with these jeans. I did not think that I would like these jeans as much as I do. So right now, I'm kind of leaning toward keeping the Monogram necklace just because I don't have anything like this, and I think it's really cute like with t-shirts. You can kind of get closer up and see. I think that's really cute. This t-shirt and the jeans, which I didn't think I would keep these jeans, but I think they're so flattering for my legs. I really like them and they fit really well. So those are kind of the three things I'm leaning toward right now keeping. I love the t-shirt dress. Like, it's so funny because this box, straight out of the box, I was like, I'm gonna keep everything. But then once I try everything on, I'm like, I mean, it's cute, but it's not crazy, anything crazy. I'm really trying to only buy things that I feel like are special and that I really, really, really love. And I love these jeans. I really do. Really like these jeans. And I like this top a lot. I like this t-shirt. I think it would be really cute with like some khaki pants or khaki shorts, I mean. And you know, it may even be, I like this skirt too. I think this is really cute. I could totally see like maybe wearing this marble, and I don't have a khaki utility skirt. And this skirt was $31.99. I mean, that's a really good price for a skirt. It's super soft, and it does have some really cute detailing. So I may keep the skirt. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, what I should keep, what you guys love, what you don't, your thoughts and opinions. But yeah, all right guys, that's it for me. See you guys next time. Bye.